this really cool lampshade. So this is a tripod style, which is really neat. I've never seen that before, so it makes it really sturdy. This one here was sent for my review, and my husband had to put it together. He said it wasn't difficult, but one thing you do need to note is that the poles or the legs here are not actually labeled. So it did take him a minute just to kind of figure everything out, and he did suggest starting from the top up here and then building down. You know that the bottom ones are the bottom because they have like the little knob on the bottom, and then the top part here is the bigger one. I'm loving this. The only thing I kind of wish they would have done is I wish the plug would have been inside the pole, like, because I've seen that before where it goes through it, but it is really nice that they do give you the straps, and they actually give you two so that it's not just dangling in the middle. Because at first I was like, oh my goodness, and then I was like, oh, I'm just going to use some zip ties, but then we saw, you know, it comes with it, so obviously that helps solve it. The shade right here is linen. We did just take it out of the box, and I'm going to turn this around so you can see. You actually have to put it on yourself, and I know that there is a way. This is not mine and my husband's like forte. We can't decide if we're like putting it too tight or not tight enough to help kind of pop this out a little bit. I know I'm thinking once it kind of settles a little bit, and then we can kind of figure out if it needs to be a little bit tighter or looser, and then that's going to kind of help pop this out a bit. So we will figure that out, don't you worry. This one clearly is the darker brown, but it does come in a lighter one as well. It does come with the light bulb, and the light bulb has the 3 shades. And one of my favorite things, hopefully you can see this, it's got like a cute little pull chain, which I think is so fun. Haven't seen one of these in a while. So your once you click through them, so this one here, you've got your warm light. Oh no, sorry, that was the bicolor. So I started on the wrong one. This one's the warm light, and then we turn it off, click again, then we have the cool light, turn it off, click again, and then we have the bicolor. It's the mix of the two. So I think it's really cool that that's already, that light bulb is included there for you, and you can just click through depending on what kind of mood and atmosphere you want to set. But yeah, I think it's like really kind of funky. I love that it's like wood, giving it that kind of like antique look, but it's also very modern with like the linen and just like kind of the style of it, because I haven't seen that before. Really cute.